Hello everyone, it's the Wandering Crows. Today we have the Dinosaur Fossils Tyrannosaurus Rex Lego build. This set is 3,145 pieces. Very cool boxing. Really cool minifigures, Alan Grant, Ellie Sattler. My son chose this one to build. He loves dinosaurs. He's only 9 years old and had no issues building this one. He said it was one of his favorites. It comes with 3 manuals, making it easy to follow along and build. And with that, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And that's going to do it for this video. But before we go, I did want to ask my son, what was your favorite part about this build?
I like the surprise that's hidden in the T-Rex bones.
He's right. There's 2 surprises. So if you like the Easter eggs or the surprises that go along with these builds, this one's got 2 of them. You can't see it, you wouldn't even know about it unless you build this. And I didn't want to spoil it for you here, just in case you do decide to build your own. But if you don't plan on buying this anytime soon and you really want to know, send us a private message. We will respond to you there. My wife handles all the comments. She is very responsive and gets back to everyone. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment below. Let us know what you thought of this build, or if you'd like to see any other builds done in the future. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.